Le bolide est garé, mais s'il te plaît, rends-toi habillé. J'aime encore te charmer.
The abandoned camping. With a cone and a cone and a hole. Damn, bruh, you can bury a G here. So if you are in the bushes, you got a little beef with someone, take him here. Rest in peace. So the open window, open door, and the caravans. We are just in the back of the caravans. Damn, bruh. Aight. Yeah. Adventure, man. Hello. It's really an old house here. Old and decayed. But it gets something, bro. Scree. Yeah. Front kicks. Yeah. Shit, man. Alright, I find you another way with less vegetation, man. Because it's really, man, it's Dr. Greenthumb's house here. Ay. Whoa. Yes, finally in. Eee. Oh, you can go upside. The house in the middle of the woods. And I'm like, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, yeah! Oh, Carapils. That's the cheapest beer in Belgium. I'm sure, but I think 20 euro cent for 1 pint. You see, got a half liter also. Shit, bro. The door, but no stairs anymore. I don't think I'm gonna go on. It's the same here. Oh, but here we got a nice view. A nice view on the villa. Oh yeah, that's the shit. Please don't be a cop, please don't be a cop, please don't be a cop. We fuck the cops. This door. Now maybe. No. Not a hidden treasure here in the woods. Okay, if I'm gonna do the scary dance, I'm gonna take my chance. Small house, douche, radiator, It's not a good idea to stay here. I have to be very careful. It's a really small house here in the middle of the woods.